Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you all unlock methods on your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So if you want to secure your phone with a screen lock, I'll show you all the options you can choose from. So to set up your lock screen, open up your settings and go down here to security and privacy and set screen lock right here, and you can choose either from pattern, pin and complex password. So basically pattern is you need to connect at least 4 dots on a pattern of 9 dots. The pin is basically just 4 to 16 digits of numbers, and complex password is 4 to 15 characters. It may be letters, special symbols or digits. So I'll show you how the pattern works. So something like this. And now your phone will be secured with this type of pattern. So the next option is pin. So you just enter your pin, whichever pin you want basically, and then it will look somehow like this. So you enter the pin and you unlock your phone. And let's check the last option, so the complex password. So you can add and characters like this, and it will look somehow like this. So it's the most secure option from all of this, but if you use a pattern in the right way and you don't use very simple pattern, it will be very secure as well. And the same thing with a pin. So basically that's all the unlock methods on your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.